Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video for you. In this spread, I will be using the Good Life bundle from the Digital Press. I think I received this bundle for free at some point when I purchased some things. I think they had a special going on, so that's how I ended up with this, and it's a fun, brightly colored collection. And you know I always like the Good Life theme, so it's a good one here to stick in. So these photos are from our final days in Santa Cruz. I think the other side of the spread has some of the actual moving pictures with the U-Haul. So it's kind of a bittersweet week here as we prepare to say goodbye to our home of 2 years. Okay, here I've got the 2 pages up. And indeed, there you can see the U-Haul and the moving on the other side. So this is a pretty typical spread for me. I'm getting started here with putting the papers in the background, and I've got my pocket card down there in the corner that I'm using. And then I will come in and finish things up with the elements. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.